guys, it's Bruce with Eat, Drink, Travel. We're gonna go ahead and get something to eat and drink at my local watering hole around where I live. They serve alcohol. Yes. Oh, let me turn. Yeah, well, it's also kind of why I stopped.
You asked me. He knows Brandon too? Jordan, yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
This is like my last week where I can drink already, because like next week I start school. Like once I start teaching, I don't want to slow down more out here. So Friday is probably
More alcohol. More alcohol. More alcohol. Hey, can you pass me that bottle of Jack right there? See this right here? I'm gonna tell you guys something. So one thing that's different here than the United States is when you buy a bottle, and keep in mind this is about $60 for a huge bottle of Jack Daniels. If you don't drink it, they will store it for you until you're done with it. This has been here off and on for about a week? Yeah, I think about a week. He's busy. So yeah, buy a bottle. If you don't drink it, they save it.
Show me that photo because I know that place.
She showed me
a
a
lot of photos. I know that place, that hotel, right? Yeah.
She told me.
Dude,
I've done that. I've been successful. Yeah, but you just go join them and you just get one. You don't need to get one. No, I just have to get one more.
What happened this weekend? You're so fortunate. What did you do?
No, you went to Isan or something over the weekend.
That condo is your place.
I decided not to go to Isan. I was going to Coachamo.
I took a shower. I was like, oh, you should let me help you. I can make sure you can listen to it. Dude, I have like the cheesiest line for girls home.
So you meet girls in the bathroom?
No, she's like, oh, I'm sorry. I was taking a shower. I was like, oh, you should let me know. I can make sure that you didn't listen to it.
Oh.
Like a joke, for a kid.
Dating advice. Okay, so I've had a little bit to drink. I've had about 3 beers and 2 whiskeys, and it's getting late at night. Everything's closing down, but I'm getting some meat. I'm actually getting wonton noodles. Wonton with noodles and barbecue pork. It's only 65 baht, which is about $2. So it's a really good deal. And it's going to take about 5 minutes for them to make it. But I thought that I would at least talk with you guys. Hi, how are you? I thought I would at least talk with you guys for a few minutes. I'll make that just a few seconds. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this. This is a little corner spot. It's right by BTS Onduts. I don't know what it's called, but I come here a lot. They have a lot of very good food. It's reasonably priced. You're looking at, 60 baht, 100 baht for a meal. And they're serving full-on alcohol till 9 o'clock or later. But it's a good spot. And like I said, if you buy a bottle of alcohol like that Jack Daniels or some vodka or something, it's like 50, 60 bucks. 2,200 baht. But they will save it for you if you don't drink it all. And I don't know, maybe it could be for a week or a year, but they will save it for you if you don't finish it. And then when you come back, they'll bring it out and then you can drink it. So this is Bruce with Eat, Drink, Travel, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And follow me tomorrow, whatever. I try to post a video like every other day, maybe like 3 to 4 videos a week. Trying to build up that content for you guys. Hey, comment below, what are you doing at home right now? Are you just watching this? Go watch Narcos New Mexico, Narcos Mexico, season 3. It's really good. Talk to you later. Bye. And a peace. Wait, that's the wrong show.